What's up, everybody? Chris D here with Chris D Outdoors, and today it's a very sad day. The kayak has a hole in it, in the keel, because I'm an idiot. I've been dragging this thing around the entire 850, not using a kayak dolly, and now, you know, has a hole in it. So I've done some research. Apparently, if you get a bucket with a number 2 on the bottom and a heat gun, you can repair this yourself at home. We're gonna try to do that. I just so happen to got a gray bucket, the same color as my kayak. So let's get started. All right, as you can see, I use my little snips, cut out a section of the bucket. Got the section right here. We're gonna heat this up and put it on here. Well guys, we did the repair. I know it's not that pretty, but at least I think it fixed it. Let's test it out in the test tank. Well guys, as you can see, it's a little too big for the test tank, but I think it's gonna work out pretty good. It's sealed up pretty good. I think we're gonna be okay.